30 people. Now it's 12, 26. Sunny day, as usually pepper plants, how is getting pepper in it. Peppers in it. Right. So I'm just gonna do this. I don't know to make up food. Here, some as well. Some pepper. This one is a different type of pepper as well. This one is pimento, sweet pimentos. This one is hot pepper. Right. This one here too. This one is again. This one bird pepper. I don't know what nickname for it. You can try to call it bird pepper. Maybe I don't know if anyone has been as well. No, we have plenty. Peppers eventually green. Okay, you could use it when it's green, you could use it when it's ripe. People use it when it's green, use it when it's ripe. It have plenty peppers in it. This one has also ones in it, over some more flowers. Right. And the tomatoes coming up. Tomatoes, if you need tomatoes as well. Morico, we had some rain yesterday and he had some rain last night. I can't give you the average time last night. We had some rain, turned on lightning last night. Right, had some rain, turned on lightning last night. Right. As I said in my video I did, you might not, I'm going to, now when I did my rain videos I said I'm going to ease up in it, I'm not stopping. As normal I said that, well I said I'm not stopping it. I won't stop doing the rain video, but I'll do it at the front now. Any rain video under 15 minutes I won't be doing it. I will only be doing rain videos 15 minutes and more. 15 minutes unless I would not do it. Unless there's a different video I'm doing it end up rain falling, well, I'll do it. But for the rain video itself, if it's 15 minutes and less, I would not be doing it. When I'm doing the rain video, I want to do it 15 minutes and more, not 15 minutes and less. So if you hardly see me uploading rain videos, it's because I'm not getting enough for it. I'm not getting it for more than 15 minutes. When I get it for more than 15 minutes, I will do a video. right? Right, so just you know the remainders of the corn, right? The corn is finishing. Pick corn a few times. So the corn is finishing now. Don't have much again. And it's really letting down. Right? Okay. I really didn't come to about the thing. Right? Some hands on the corn tree. Right, so this is the remainder of the corn that is remaining. Right. The corn is finishing, so it took a few times. Got to eat some corn a few times. So this is the corn rebate here. A few trees again. And then after that you won't see no more, but if people know how corn is here, I think it's a one-time thing, and then they come take it down after you finish bearing. So again, that is there for the corn. How much corn I get, as you can see. And the peppers here. Yeah, can again. I don't know how I get in it, people. Peppers all over. Again, just like over again. So next we need to upload any videos. Again, when you see me uploading the rain video is not going to be for more than 15 minutes. If you see, you won't see less than 15 minutes. Now you'll be seeing more than 15 minutes. So then it may take me a while to do it whenever I get the rain. Because I explain why you don't see me doing different type of videos sometimes. Because I don't go anywhere most of the time. I'm home and look at the go somewhere. I did 2 videos that I did from traveling from Penal to my neighborhood and traveling from Avoca Junction to Penal. And my neighbor wanted to go to the road to get something, so he carried me with him. If he wanted to buy a phone, he gave me to pick out a good phone for him. So that's why I do the two video. But the conversation and the video was kind of boring, so I say people who are listening or watching the video and listening to the conversation, they might want to remain and watch all the video because the conversation was boring. So I said I put some non-copyright music in it. Music in it is not copyright, so I could play it free to play. Alright, I said people might like the music in it and enjoy the video better and encourage them to watch it better because the music is nice. It's soothing. Alright, so final view of the corn again. Now then the pawpaw. Let's get a quick shot of the pawpaw. So just gonna keep on floating. Okay, yeah, full 360. Right. Stepping out. Right, so that is. I'll show you something as well. I'm watching the sky, so okay, partially. Right, if it is a little easier. So that's the day for the garden. I forget one more thing. Still had these opals here. Like the flowers and stuff, so that might be anything.